Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair. It's number 8 of the Repair-a-thon. I took the sticker off. There was a sticker on it. It said it didn't work. It works, but for prosperity purposes, this is an scph 7001, and it's FU1113675. There's the PK code. Sorry about the what you call it. This one's never been opened. Sorry about the shadow there. Go ahead and get her open. We're going to go ahead and swap the laser, and I'll be right back. All right, folks, we're back. We're in. Simple, same procedure. Of course, nothing here. Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair is simple. That bonus PlayStation 2 Slim is going to be a goodie. Just tested it just to see if it turned on. Turns on, turns right back off. Doesn't even give me any video signal, no nothing. And no, that one won't be a board swap. There's no boards out there for Slims. Okay, you heard me right there. Let's see if I can find if I have a manual for it and see what the hell's going on. I'm just swapping this laser because it's the original one and it's being goofy. I don't play goofy. It's out. I'm going to swap it and we'll be right back. Alright guys, laser swap was complete. Here's the TV. Ooh, she loaded quick. That one turns on, turns off. I gotta deal with it right now. Get a green light to a red light, now you see what the heck that's all about. Works, moving on. So I'm going to take a little bit to read CDs. See what it does now. Okay, bad laser. There you go. That laser I took out took a little bit to read CDs. That's not a good sign. They should, like I told you, they should load up to between 3 to 5 seconds on a Slim. Shouldn't take no more than 3 seconds. You got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, up to 30 seconds. And then it struggles for a little bit there. Shit can your laser. Gee dunk. The bonus ones, it's going to be a goodie, so it's going to be a separate video. I'm going to keep it that way. It's not going to be part of the 8 repair-a-thon. 8 junk lasers, folks. These all are now working. It's going to end the series. The other one is going to be a goodie one because it's got a power issue, apparently. Single player. Movie car chases. I do need to do some research on it. Sorry about the videos that haven't been up on a constant basis because life happens. It rumbles, moving on. We'll play a PlayStation disc within 3 seconds. Yeah, 1.5. There you go, folks. Another good PlayStation refurbish. Ready to go to a new owner. I put these videos out to show you guys that I'm not just doing laser swaps because for the hell of it. It's because 99% of the time, I'll say 98% of the time, that's the problem. Your other 2 to 3% is custom chips.
Racers, start your engines.
And let's get it on.
Three, 2, 1, go! The race is on.
There you have it, guys. Another, like I said, 8 dead lasers. I got these from Vario's Closet. You get more, the more you get a discount. I didn't know this person actually had a website. I'm going to have to check it out, but I'm not a sponsor, so not a sponsor. So I'm just giving you somewhere to get lasers and stuff like that, and that's a wrap for these. It's just the fact of the matter is that I have that ninth one down here. Apparently it's going to be a goodie. It's going to be one of those long videos. So, like I said, we'll catch you on the next one. And I got fats and all that stuff going on. So, those will be recorded too. So, like I said, all 8 slims are done. I'm trying to move on to the better repairs, the better videos. I just don't do laser swaps and stuff like that. Like I said, guys, catch you on the next one.